I don't know about you, but I can never quite remember exactly how to use all the various bits of kit that we use in a motorsports paddock. It's something that I don't use very often, possibly, or something that I have used. I can't quite remember, oh, it should be F5 to make the screen bigger or whatever. All those little shortcuts and all those little things that I know are really hiding in the documentation, but I can never, remember or never feel as if I've got time to look for them. Anyway, so I've been doing another little AI kind of project, and I thought, well, why not use another motorsport use case? And that is looking at documentation. So here I've thrown some AIM documentation and some race logic, so some Vbox documentation together in this little chatbot. And the idea is to, well, basically save me a bit of time when I am at the track, or when I'm trying to remember exactly how to use this stuff without necessarily having to dive into the docs. Let me show you. Hopefully this will work. I mean, this is like an early stage demo, so let me just see if it's working. Say hello. So I'm just going to tap in some bits of here, and we'll see if it works. Hopefully it will. Computers are shy. Here we go. Right. How can I assist you? I'm a motorsports equipment expert, well, maybe. And I'm going to look at a Race 2-3 or Race Logic Vbox circuit tools. Okay, so what can I help you with? Right, okay, well, let me see if we can do this. Oh, great. I'm typing up here, so forgive me if it's a bit slow. You get the idea. I have... Ooh. This is painful, isn't it? Both the systems. You don't happen to know what PC spec I need for RS3. I can never remember. This is the kind of stuff I can't remember. It's like, was computer going to be good enough for Race Studio 3? Oh, I know it's in the docs, but just rather ask someone. Let's have a think. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it will pull up something. Oh, here we go. There's all sorts of stuff here. So you can run it on Windows in a virtualized environment. All this sort of good stuff that I'm sure you will be interested to know. What else have we got going on? Yes, this is something that I always forget. So brilliant. Can you tell me how to add split time? Ooh, and pit time? No, that's different. Split time in S3. 3. I can never remember. I can never. RS2 was all right, but then RS3 I can never remember how to do it. Brilliant. Okay, so I haven't actually tested this for sure. So if anyone watching actually knows for sure, wants to give it a go and tell me whether or not this is just making stuff up or whether or not that's actually the right thing. I think it is the right thing to do. It's calling it from the documentation. So brilliant. Okay, so let me do that. Right, brilliant. I'm just kind of making up use cases here. I can never remember the shortcut key. Shortcut keys are the best, aren't they? Shortcut key to make it full screen. And this is actually true because I can never remember that. There's loads of them. I think there are a few options. Do you know what they are? I think there are a few options actually, so it's not quite as. There you go. Yeah, actually, and there's another one as well. There's F10, which it's missed. So this is work in progress, but I thought I'd share it with you while we're doing stuff. This is an interesting one, right? So what I've done is I put some questions to the side. I could probably just copy it actually. That's it. Rather than you watching me type, let me copy in the question that I already had. and see what it comes up with. So what I'm saying is, perfect. I'm pretty new to data analysis, like a lot of people are, or new and I've also forgotten how to do it because it's been ages. I think the Vbox help. They talk about the art of driving faster, and they do have a section on that in their documentation. Can you remind me, i.e. tell me for the first time, what they suggest I should look at? Now, let's see. Now, see if it can find this. This is a bit more fun, but anyway, I hope you find this useful. Here we go. Look, have a quicker driver. Thanks for that. I think that means let a faster driver take the car for several laps. Okay, and add a benchmark. This is kind of stuff that you may have seen done. Look at data comparison, analyze delta T, which I think is a great place to start, and the speed trace for sure. Looking at those differences between the speed trace for your consistency. Fantastic. What else of it? This is brilliant. Okay, one last one. Let me see what else we can ask it for. Oh yeah, okay. What screen? I've just got the docs here, so layout. Ooh, actually no, I'm going to do screen layout options. Oh my god, are there in Vbox? And I've got one other one that I want to do just to see for those who are a little bit more advanced in their stuff. Here we go. So these are the options you've got. Don't forget in circuit tools, you've got the option for location-based comparison, which is absolutely fantastic. Right, okay. In AIM Race Studio 3. 3. That still works, actually, when you get that wrong. But anyway. In AIM Race Studio 3, how do you suggest I use maths channels? Oh, maths channels. There we go. If you're not ventured into those, they are a lot of fun, but quite difficult to set up. So let's see what it comes up with. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Test and we use. So, okay, so this is showing us exactly where to click, work out what you want to do, and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to leave it here. I hope you get the point. This is work in progress, so forgive me, it's a bit rough around the edges, but let me know what you think. Put in the comments below or whatever. If there's any documentation you think, oh yeah, that would be great to get in there, I'd really welcome your thoughts. Anyway, if I can help you or your business with any of this kind of AI stuff, obviously I'm using Motorsports as an example, but I'm working with companies as well who are outside of Motorsport, weirdly, to develop things like this. So yeah, just let me know. But I hope you enjoy it, and see you soon.